Man and woman killed at home in Braeton, Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Portmore Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the shooting death of a man and a woman in Braeton, Portmore, St. Catherine on Thursday. The deceased have been identified as 35-year-old shopkeeper Annetta Mills and 40-year-old laborer Dimitri Mackenzie, both of 59 Bloom Grove Way, Braeton in Portmore, St. Catherine. Police reports say that at around 4:45 p.m., the two were at home when they were pounced upon by unknown assailants who fired shots hitting them. They were taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where they were both pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the attack. The police has since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.